What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing some sample shots, some audio sample shots of the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and with the media mod, without the media mod, and I'm going to do some comparison shots with the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mod. So if that's something you're interested in listening to, seeing how it performs, stick around. This is the GoPro Hero 9 Black media mod. This is the GoPro Hero 8. You can see there the design is a bit different. And again, the Hero 9 media mod brings a wind muff, which you just snap on there really easily like that. And you have that extra protection for against wind or distortion. So that is a very nice addition to the media mod. And like the media mod for the Hero 8, you have your cold shoe mount up top. You have the power button on right next to it. Over here you have another cold shoe mount on the side. You guys can see there. The button on the Hero 9 media mod is much bigger than the 8. And that is a good thing. Works exactly the same as the Hero 9 or Hero 8 media mod. You just open that side door there, and then you're just gonna slide your camera in just like the Hero 8, and you're all set. So something we don't have on the Hero 8 is this audio meters right here. As you can see, I'm talking and the media mod on the Hero 9 Black picks that up. So that's pretty nice to have on the Hero 9. It'd be cool if they'd update that on the Hero Black or 8 Black, I'm sorry. So for the purpose of these sample shots, I'm just going to keep it in 4K 24 frames per second. I have the GoPro Hero 9 Black on this side. I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black on this side. GoPro colors. Let's do this. We are talking on the media mod on both cameras. So right now I will put down in the bottom quarters here what camera is actually the audio you're listening to. And this is what it sounds like with the front facing microphone of the GoPro media mods on their respective cameras. I'm next gonna add the wind muff that comes with the Hero 9 media mod. See if it makes any different. Right now there's no breeze going on in the backyard. There was a little bit of breeze earlier, but I'm just switching back and forth. I'm talking, kind of rambling here to go back and forth so you guys can hear the difference. So again, this is the GoPro Hero 8 9 Black on the left hand side. This is the GoPro Hero 8 Black on the right hand side. I think I didn't mess that up there. And both of them are on with the media mod. Check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. All right, so I've now switched over to the rear microphones. I'm just gonna do a panning shot here and talk to the camera with both of these on, so we can get some audio test shots from the rear mic. All right, guys, again, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black on the right hand side because I'm now behind the camera. GoPro Hero 8 Black on the left hand side. Both microphones are on, the media mods, the rear microphones are on. And so I'm directly behind the camera, just taking a shot of the pond here, talking. And we're gonna go switch audio here. And on the bottom corners, you'll see what camera is actually the audio you're listening to. So again, this is a sample shot, an audio test shot of the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the GoPro Hero 9 Black with their respective media mods on. Rear microphone test shot. 1 2 3, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. All right, guys, I now have the front microphones on, the media mods on their respective cameras, and I do have the wind muff that comes with the Hero 9 Black. There's a light breeze going on here in the backyard. I don't know if you can pick that up with these media mods, but I do have the wind muff on here. But because I want to be a little extra, and I got my wife to help me out here. She's got an actual blower. Go ahead and let it rip, and we're gonna see how these mics perform. You get closer. So, point to the camera. All right, that's probably a little too much. Wait, let me get that right there. So I can feel I can feel it here. Wanted to see. I know this is a little extreme, guys, but I just want to make sure I can give you guys a good idea of how this wind muff performs on the media mod for the Hero 9. All right, that's enough. So I don't know if that's any good, guys, but I'll get an E for an effort there. I just want to show you a slight change on the Hero 9. You have your options for your mics, your front, your back, and it says camera mics. You see there it says camera mics. On the Hero Black, on the Hero 8 Black, it doesn't say camera mics, it just says stereo. I hope you guys can see there it says stereo on the black. So I just wanted to show you that little difference there. Okay guys, this is what the microphones, the internal mics, no media mods are on. As you can see, I got them right here. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black on the left, my left, your right. GoPro Hero 8 Black on my right, your left. Testing 1 2 3. This is a test shot of the internal microphones on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the GoPro Hero 8 9 Black respectively. Testing 1 2 3. I'm going to put on the bottom corners here the audio that you're listening to. So again, this is just another test shot outdoors of these two action cameras. All right, I want to throw on the Deity Duo D4 microphone, shotgun mic, because as you guys already may know, the media mods bring that 3.5 millimeter jack right there, so you can attach an external mic. So I now have the GoPro Hero 9 Black with the Deity Duo D4 shotgun mic, and it is on top of the media mod. This microphone is pretty nice. I plan on doing a video on it later on. I will link everything down below if you guys are interested in checking out exactly what I'm using for this video. They are affiliate links, so just know that. But great little microphone. I really love it, and this is an awesome setup, to be honest with you. So this is what it sounds like. I have it on the standard microphone setting inside the GoPro Hero 8 or 9 Black, GoPro Hero 9 Black, standard. No extra gain or boost there. I'm going to switch over to the standard plus, which gives it 20 decibel boost. All right, so this is again at standard mic on the GoPro Hero 9 Black with the Deity D4 Duo mic. So here we have the standard plus setting on the GoPro Hero 9 Black, again with the media mod on, with the Deity D4 Duo microphone up on top of the media mod. This setting in the mic on the GoPro gives you a 20 plus boost, so decibel, 20 decibel boost in this setting. So this is a test shot there, just giving you guys an idea what it sounds like. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Again, Deity D4 Duo mic, standard plus setting in the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I completely forgot about my GoPro Max. So I'm going to do a quick test shot here with all three internal mics, just because this is actually a great internal mics on the GoPro Max. But we're going to do a couple test shots there. All right, so here we have it. GoPro Hero 9 Black, GoPro Hero 8 Black in the middle, GoPro Hero Max, GoPro Max, sorry, over here on the right hand side. All internal microphones are on right now, stereo setting for all of them, and this is just another test shot. I will be putting the audio that you're listening to down here so you can know which one I'm talking to. I'm going to talk about 30 more seconds. GoPro Hero 9 on the left, GoPro Hero Black or 8 Black in the middle, and GoPro Max over here on my right. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Let me know what you guys think, which one sounds better, if any. I know the GoPro Max sounds pretty good, the GoPro 9 sounds pretty good as well, and the GoPro Hero 8 was an improvement from the 7. So I'm gonna go in and listen to all of these and get back to you guys. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Let's go. All right, guys, I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If it helps you determine which one to go with, or if you're on the fence about it, or if you were just curious to see what these media mods sounded like, please give this video a like, comment down below if you have any questions. After listening to these files, guys, I thought that the difference was marginal. Really, the media mods both perform well. I do like the features on the Hero 9 media mod a little bit better. The covers on the back is a nice addition. The actual microphone cover is really nice to have as well. But overall, I thought the Hero 8 sounds a little bit fuller, a little bit heavier than the Hero 9 media mod. To me, after listening to them with headsets on over and over, because like I said, to me it was barely noticeable. But after listening to it over and over a few times, I feel like the Hero 9 media mod picks up a little bit more of the surrounding sound or the ambient sound better than the Hero 8 media mod. They all held up well with the internal mics. I'm not a fan of built-in microphones on the cameras, but the GoPro Max does really well for an action camera, in my opinion. And GoPro's done a really good job upgrading these mics on the internal mics on these cameras, in my opinion, in comparison to the old GoPros. But that's going to do it for this one. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Again, if you have any comments or questions, see you down below. And everything will be linked for you guys down below if you want to check them out. They are affiliate links. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.